Hello, thank you for watching our YouTube channel at MDO Mortgage. Today we're going to talk about closing costs. Closing costs are a big issue when it comes into purchasing a house. It represents normally 1 to 2.5% of your closing fees within itself, so it can be a lot of money. We're going to talk about pre-purchase and sales agreement and post-purchase and sales agreement. Pre-purchase and sales agreement is your home inspection. You will have a home inspection. It's your right, you don't have to have it, but if you have that on your offer, then just picture this, you're paying somebody, an expert, a home inspection expert, to come in and go through all the property and look at the roof, the foundation, all the electric. Generally between $400 or $350 to $600 and $700, depending on the type of property, the size of the property, and the location of the property as well. So have that in mind, and home inspection is always a good idea. Before we get into the first bucket, I'm going to tell you that most lenders will charge you an appraisal fee unless there is a loan that does not require an appraisal. But usually appraisal fees start at $450 and they go all the way up to $700, $1,000. If you have a commercial loan, it can be over $1,000. Depends on the purchase price, depends on the family size, if it's a single family, a 2, 3, or 4, and the location, as I say. So first bucket, underwriting fees or processing fees that the bank will charge, and or points as well. There is a video that talks about points in detail, but that was going to be on the first bucket. Number 2, appraisal, credit reports, flat certifications, and other fees are included in that number 2 bucket. Number 3, attorney fees. Usually the attorney that is listed on number 3 is an attorney that the lender has hired in order to make sure that you close on your loan. So that the attorney is going to be doing a title examination, a title search. They're going to give you a title insurance that protects the lender, and the attorney is going to be closing on your loan. So usually in Massachusetts, you will find that these closing fees can be significant, maybe half of the cost of your total closing costs, excluding your escrows and insurance. We'll talk about that in a moment. Fourth is recording fees. Recording fees is what the attorney is going to go pay somebody to record your mortgage and the deed on the registry where the property is located at the county. The range for those fees can be between $400 and $600 depending on how many mortgages you're recording and the county that is being recorded at. 5, 1-year insurance, generally homeowners insurance and or flood, and 2 or 3 months of taxes depending upon what county or what city your property is located. Usually there's a little bit of interest depending upon what type of the month you're closing. If you're closing at the end of the month, is the remaining days. If you're closing the beginning of the month, it can be a credit that the bank will give you. Mortgages are paid on the rare. So if you close on December 31st of 2022, your first mortgage payment will not be until February 1st. The whole month of January, you live in it, in your property, and then you pay for the month of January. Okay, so number 6 is your escrow account. Depending on the loan that you're having, your lender may require or not for you to have an escrow account. And all an escrow account is the deposit of 2 months of insurance and 3 months of taxes, generally. And that money is disbursed to the city as often as it is required to be paid by the municipality, if it's taxes, or the homeowner's insurance, usually if it's every year, every 12 months. Number 7, the bucket, it's optional. Your owner's insurance or title insurance that is part of it protects your interest as an owner of the property, and is optional. Highly advisable that you get it, and this is why it's recorded in the last bucket on the loan estimate. It's called owner's insurance title. Okay, and then the attorney that is representing the bank can also represent you. Usually there is a fee for that. Some attorneys charge it, some don't. If there would be a fee, it would be located on box number 7. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We love to be able to help you on the purchase or refinance of your home, and don't forget to share this channel with your friends. Thank you for watching our channel.